Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about text formatting in HTML. For this video, I will be using VS Code to write my code. What is text formatting in HTML? Text formatting in HTML simply means to style our text however we want. There are many options we have when it comes to text formatting. Today, we will review many of them. Let's start off with a normal paragraph element. Without any text formatting, we will just have a plain paragraph text on our website. Let's start with the first text formatting. This is the B or bold element. It is written only using the letter B for both its open and closed tags. It makes any text between the two tags bold. The next is the I or italic element. This is written only using the letter I for both of its tags. It makes anything inside of it italic. The next is the U or underline element. This is written only using the letter U, and it underlines our text. The next element is the del element, short of delete. This is written using the del keyword. It doesn't actually delete anything inside, but just crosses it out. The next element is the big element. This is written using the big keyword. It makes the text inside slightly bigger than its normal and neighboring font size. The next element is the small element. It is the opposite of the big element and is written using the small keyword. It makes the text inside slightly smaller than its normal and neighboring font size. The next element is the sub-element, short of subscript. It is written using the sub keyword and positions a text downwards and below the normal text position. The next element is the sup-element, short of superscript. It is written using the sup keyword. This element is the exact opposite of the sub-element and positions a text upwards and above the normal text position, kind of like exponents from algebra. The next element is the TT element, which stands for monospace. It is written using double TS for its keyword, and monospace is a text. Monospacing is basically making the width of all the letters in a text equal, so the text is nice and even. And finally, we have the mark element, which is basically highlighting. It is written using the mark keyword and just highlights the text in your website. So yeah, these are all the text formatting tools you may need in HTML. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.